EurUsd 5-minute time frame, one of the best trades of the day. Watch the video until the end because we had so many opportunities on the market. This was a great day for day trading here on Forex Trendy. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what happened on this very hot day, 18th of August, on the Forex market, and which opportunities you can find using Forex Trendy, the Forex Trend scanner. In my opinion, one of the best ways to make money on the markets is trend following. It's a very smart way to take advantage of the market and following the big whales where everybody is putting their money, and not risk your account and grow it day by day. So I'm going to show you the best trades first, and then we're going to analyze all the other trades that took place here in this very exciting day. So the first trade I want to show you is gold, 5-minute time frame. We have a flag buy signal 1764. It looks like we are in a range between 1760 and 1772, as you can see. But the breakout was solid. The price had no fear. Started to go up, reaching 1772 for 90 pips of profit. Gold is a very profitable asset to invest on, especially if you are a day trader. But it's very volatile, so you must build a strategy around it, okay? Because the main purpose is to protect the account. Once you find your balance, okay, and the right strategy, you can start profiting. Let's jump to the EurUsD, the major pair that everybody loves to trade. We have flag sell signal at 10173. Price action looks pretty good because the price was retesting a very important price structure between 0202 and 0186, and again 0174 and 0160. Okay, all this zone here is very important. Why is that working? Okay, all this zone here this is very important price structure, as you can see, because the market was testing this structure. Okay, design inside the flag, retesting the previous highs, and after the breakout it went down, reaching the 0120 for at least 50 pips profit. So a great trade on the EurUsD, because everybody focuses on this pair, but I think there are so many opportunities on the Forex market. It depends on your trading side. I know traders that trade only one pair, and I think it's a good thing when you're starting, because you need to focus only on one pair, and if you have like multiple charts in front of you, it can be overwhelming. You can feel lost. But then I think you can find so many opportunities. Okay, like for example, I'm going to show you the exotic pairs. They are doing so good. And guys, find your balance. Okay, find your balance in trading. Don't be in a hurry to make money. Just build your strategies, focus on price action, and everything will be fine if you have very good strategies and you are disciplined and you're following the rules. Money will come. Okay. Let's jump on the first trade of the day. Here we have the Swiss yen, the Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal of 41.93. Price at the difficult time going up. In fact, was retesting this level around 41.80. Very strong support apparently, but then at 1 p.m. was the first important breakout, then went up again, retesting the previous structure here. But again, not all the trades will go in profits. Even if you have very strong support zone like this, expect the market to break it, even if it doesn't go on your desired direction. Let's jump to the USD and the Singapore dollar. Flag buy signal, break it 38.15. This is a nice signal, because the price action looks pretty good and the market is taking its time to build up tension, waiting for the right explosion. In fact, after the breakout, it went up to 38.55 for a 40 pips profit. Pretty solid, pretty solid. I like this trade. Let's jump to the euro and the Turkish lira. Okay, here the price action is fabulous. It's fabulous. Okay. Now, why is fabulous? Because price is retesting this very strong support at 18.25 here. Let me change the color because I don't like it. Okay, very important zone here. As you can see how many times it's testing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, endless times. Okay, they had like a lot of hours to build up. This is the perfect price action for a buy trade. And then no regret going up to let me see, 43.26 from 27.83. Huge one, like 200 pips. 200 pips. Great trade. If you are ready to take advantage of the market, you can make so much money you can even imagine. Okay? But always put the stop loss, protect the account. Here's the Japan yen, another good trade. Looks like we are in a range between these highs at 135.46 and these lows here at 134.82. Okay, so we were in the middle of this channel here, and the breakout at 35.15, going strong down there, retesting the previous low at 34.74. It failed the breakout below this low. Is like this is the first Fibonacci level, didn't go through, didn't follow through, and bounced back to this previous support zone at 35.18. But pretty solid one. Okay, you won't exit here because honestly it's impossible unless you are a bot. But if you put the stop loss, your first take profit here at 34.75, you're gonna be in good company because you can see 34.75 and the sell at 35.14. Nice trade, solid one. Singapore dollar and Japan yen, we have a rising wedge, sell signal. Again, this is very close to the support zone here on this channel, and honestly, it's not worth to open a trade and risk your money. It's so close. If you want to scalp it, but honestly, I wouldn't do it. Forex Trendy is also good for channel trading, when the market is lateralizing. But it depends on the position of the breakout. Okay, if occurs here and you have a very good price action like a double top, triple top, then it's fairly good, even if it's a personal call to open a trade there. But to me, it looks fair. Okay, even if it's not trending. Okay, in the range market, it's good too. So it was good for a scalping action, but honestly, for me, I'm a like 20 to the pips profit target trader. I wouldn't mind. No, I wouldn't open this. Honestly, no. So many guys would open it, and I understand them. Canadian dollar and Japan yen. This trade didn't go as expected. Again, we are in a ranging market. The market's ranging. The breakout failed and then tried to go down again, but failed again. No. USD SEG. We have flag buy signal 10.4063. Okay, this price action again looks pretty solid. The price is testing multiple times this support zone, as you can see. If you go on the higher time frame, you will maybe you will see another shoulder. As you can see, the left shoulder they had, and here the right shoulder, and the price retesting again its previous level inside the flag, and then going up. This price action is perfect because again the market had all the time to build pressure in this price zone between 41.36 and 37.91. A little retest here at 39.60. As you can see here, okay, and then boom, went up to 48.25. You won't catch these spikes. Honestly, it's impossible. You want to exit there, but it's a huge trade from 40.63 to 48.26. Do your math. It's a huge one. It's a huge one. Okay. It's very hot, the temperature outside, but even on the market, it's pretty hot. USD, Danish krone, we have a falling wedge buy signal 31.34. Again, another good price action. Same story. Once you get used to price action reading analysis, you will find yourself in a very good spot because you will know what to do. So again, we have this very important price structure here. You can see the first breakout and then the retest again here at 31.06. Then retesting this level again, 30.26, and then the pattern was completed. And then boom, the breakout was pretty solid, going up to 35.39 from 31.34. So many opportunities to make money today on the market. Shame on me that I took only 2 trades because I'm on a vacation. But look at the price action. It's perfect. It's perfect. You know, because we have higher lows here going up. Yes, a little retest, but then the configuration was perfect for a buy signal. Okay. So people, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Share your opinions. Which trades you are performing during this August. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. Stay tuned. Bye bye.